It was for me mama kwaba at the back too much GH so. Na enche ye last week ye we are last month. Last month mu say a new week of this month. And last month ye mu last week mu and ye nyan ntie sa ba you be abomodin or ye students ya wabomodin akwakoku TV CEO bi e wo Nigeria ya ehun semsem nso ebeye hey achese no bia ese afem wo ho ya rehosem pa na asem ne ba ni hie ni musa no ye ne abayo no ekasa ya na se in an interview a wo mode ne ko police station a media for twa no kwan so ebisa bisa ne semsem no wo kan kakra but wan kan rekudie potin enti a wo yesa ena dia ekwan of fast so a wodi kun no ehono mo no na won pese obeka no kre o ka say ne boyfriend bi na den September break na ene wa ba botin a che say wa ba be kire kwan ya wo fast so a wodi kun papa no ene de nam so a wode ye papa no wodi etimi kun papa no ne enti potin ti a ma ne di kun papa no ne ekeka ho in an interview journalist baako I think say ho ne ko twetwetwe nkomo na okowura say ho ti mu say wenya akoma edwo nti otimi ba out kan ne nsem a ene kwan ya ofa so bibia se ne a plan ne ye ni bibia no pepepe na ebusia ma ye nkogwe video no na tie fi ono ankasa nanum na yemra.
We met ourselves at an outing. That is how we met. That was the first day we met.
Okay.
That was the first time we slept together. The person that introduced me to him was his friend, who is my is a boyfriend to a friend of mine. Then I killed him and I stole his money. That's because I needed the money. So when he was gone, I just took everything and left.
Because I don't know, saw some items with you like driver's license and some other items like UBA card, ATM cards. Is it true?
Yeah, his driver's license was with me. I was scared that they're going to catch me.
So in your whole heart, your whole mind, your whole thought, you felt you weren't going to be caught after you had killed him and left the place?
I don't know, but something in me told me that they will come to me, but I wanted to steal from him, but it was not allowing me to, so we got into a fight, and that was when I stabbed him. I tied his hands, so that at that time he was sleeping. I tied his hands so that by the time he wakes up, he'll be able to give me what I want, and I'll go. We were fighting. My hands, the knife was at the back. I was leaning at the cabinet. That was when I stabbed him. On the neck.
How many stabs?
I didn't count. I was on drugs, and also during the struggle that he was trying to strangle me. That was when I used the knife on him. It was already high. So he didn't feel it, and it took more than I did. The drugs were already requested, so I went to collect it outside. He sent me money already to order for the drug, but the drug didn't arrive on that Monday, so it arrived on Tuesday. We also smoked and drank. The incident happened early in the morning, so I got myself in the afternoon. Towards afternoon was when I got myself. By that time, he already passed out. because of my business, I won't have time for going to school. I didn't want to be going for physical classes. I wanted online schooling.
So don't you think if you had asked him, please, sir, or my love, after you called him, I need money from you for this, do you think he would have been so stingy not to give to you?
No, he wouldn't.
I'm going to you. Why did you say so?
Asked him, but he said he didn't have.
Before you went to the hotel to sleep with him, did you agree on any price? Like, I'm going to spend 3 days with you in the hotel. Are you going to pay me such amount? Did you had any of such agreements?
No.
Did you have any of such agreements?
No, I didn't. No, it's not like he didn't mention he had a wife or I didn't know that it was mine. No, we were not looking forward to get married. I make decisions that sometimes I need someone to talk to, but I just don't see it. I just do it. My advice is they should take a good turn in their life and do not associate with anything bad. Always stay positive and stay close to God.
Nanka. Nyaminimu ni se abaya de who date bema or so and say a big man like this. Na se wo pesika won ne ho de aye bibi mpo a. Wo de tying him keke na, won put you just tying him. Keke na waka chen say I need this money. Give me this money. If you would have found say we need your ropo. If you don't give me this money, I will not untie you. I'll leave you and go. And I say bibisa agro ni ma ono abeka chose okay, take this money. And I say okay, untie me, I'll give you the money. And I shall say the easy cano. Who we are one untie no now call baby. I agro amudie. E normal. Enti e de nkwan na wo di sika ne kwa koye nti. Wo pesika e fi papa ne hono mu. Na onye ready so de be ma wo. Ana say won kan kire ne dem onim so ka kire na on fa ma nti wan kasa wo pe wo kwan so e de agiscan. So that was the best thing you could do by stabbing him, tying him on his bed and then stabbing him at last. Oh, remember na mo ware na kasa so mudio bododo na mundi mulaimu na mudi mulaimu ansanse mu we nyina mu hu na mo yere mu amba be ye widowers a omunye ready so mo ba be dikuna ebusia ha na meja mu esi I but what dey na subscribe to your Too Much GH channel no na mia notification bar na so we are following on IG, Facebook, me and if you hono Twitter oh here me pa na share to all other social media platforms are also na me be sure say here nesa media ene akosia pokua answer aka apa makramu that send a message here.